Hey tech lovers! Welcome back to Techo AV. Today we're diving into a brand new laptop from Lenovo, the IdeaPad Slim 3 15IRH10R, powered by Intel's latest 14th gen processor. Is it worth your money in 2025? Let's break it down. Design. The Slim 3 lives up to its name. At just under 2 kilograms and with a sleek lunar grey finish, it's both portable and premium looking. The build is solid. The Intel Core 5 210H, that's 8 cores with a hybrid architecture, 4 performance cores and 4 efficient cores. Turbo up to 4.8 GHz, and paired with 16 GB DDR5 RAM, it's perfect for multitasking, productivity, and even some light creative work. Storage-wise, you get a blazing fast 1TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD. Boot times and app launches? Super quick. Now let's talk display. It's a 15.3-inch Wuxka panel, that's 1920 by 1200 resolution, with an IPS anti-glare screen and 300 nits brightness. The webcam is 720p, include a physical privacy shutter. Port selection is solid. 2x USB-A, 1x USB-C with power delivery and DisplayPort, HDMI 1.4, SD card reader, 3.5mm jack, and your power input. Good enough for most users. Keyboard non-backlit, English. The 60Wh battery is decent, expect around 6 to 8 hours in mixed usage. You also get a 65W round-tip charger. Security-wise, it's got firmware TPM 2.0, and again, that privacy shutter on the webcam. And surprisingly, it's MIL-STD 810H certified, that means it passed military-grade tests for durability under stress, a rare bonus at this price point. Sound is handled by dual 2W stereo speakers, enhanced with Dolby audio. Loud and clear. So, who's this laptop for? If you're a student, a content consumer, or a light office user looking for speed, storage, and portability without spending a fortune, the IdeaPad Slim 3 15IRH10R is definitely worth a look. Smash that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to Techo AV for more real-world tech reviews. Unity Systems Solutions.